जसं तुम्ही इथं राहता कुठे, लातूरमध्ये एज्युकेशनसाठी, तर मंथली बजेट तुमचं रूम, meals, breakfast, along with some academic materials required, some emergency funds. That funds, nothing but there is a budget, prepare the budget, tentative, and whatever the prepare budget, collection of income and expenditures. आणि ते जे काही प्रिपेअर केलं बजेट तुम्ही तुमचे जनरली महिन्याभराला काय लागते ते इम्प्लिमेंट करणे मीन्स गिव्ह द रेंट टू द ओनर ऑफ कन्सर्न रूम, गिव्ह द charges of mess to the mess malak, give the breakfast implementation expenses. That is called as implementation, whatever the prepare of budgets. Here, there is an content of this budget preparation and implementations. First, definition, the objective, why it is necessary, budgeting, their advantages, various types of budget on the basis of big budget and small budget, they are categorized. And whatever the budget, that budget you have to prepare, that is preparation of budgets, and then whatever the prepare the budget, that implement, and various factor responsible for budget preparations and implementations. Yesterday we have to see with this learning outcome. After finishing this topic, you have to learn about budgets and its types and how will you prepare the budgets and their implementations and various factors affecting on budgets along with their implementations. So yesterday we have to discuss with the budgeting. Any program you have to start, it requires the budgets. It requires the planning, budgeting, and whatever the budgeting you have to carry it out or form that budget, you have to control the expense. This is a control. Both the parameters are responsible for budgeting. That is uh, for any program. For example, as per our subject is concerned, if you start the hospital pharmacy or any community pharmacy, this is a program, community pharmacy formations. For that formation of that community pharmacy programs, the budgeting is required. Whatever the budget required nowadays, minimum 2 to 3 lakhs is minimum budget required for furnitures. That budget is required for furniture, purchasing of the materials which is required to fulfill the racks which is present in the community pharmacy with the help of
चालते.
wholesalers. And whatever the budget you have to काय म्हणता येईल त्याला find out for the starting of new program, that budget you have to control the expense. This is the diagrammatic way you have to put the one single program start with the help of budgeting and their controllings. Here the budget. So now we have to move with the definition of budget. Budget is described as an instrument through which hospital administration, management of the department level, and the governing body who review the hospital services in relation to prepared plan in a comprehensive and integrated express in financial terms. Means whatever the services provided by the hospital with the help of with the permission of departmental head of concerned hospital, administrator of the hospital, or governing body, whatever the decision given to serve the hospital services and whatever the relations for plan give the services to the patients in the form of financial terms. That is called as budget. The main objective of budget is development of standards. Whatever the services provided by the hospitals and whatever the gaining of financials to develop the standards of particular hospitals. Comparison of actual results with standards means for any services, if someone paying 100 rupees and we are charged either 100 or lesser one or higher one, that comparison should be uh, achieved in the budgeting. Then identification of deviation and standards. Whatever the deviations for the budget, that deviations are identified. Means unwanted expenses or unwanted allocation of the budget should be restricted or identified and analyze that deviation. This is a main motto. Control. Controlling of the whatever the budget available with us. They do not deviate from original source, original expenses. If from original expenses they deviated, then there is a problem of finance to the achieving their goals of concerned programs. Next objective is a responsible person will use the budget details to determine whether proposal is economical or economically feasible and realistic. This is a major objective of budget means determine the whatever the proposal came towards the administrator or governing bodies, that proposal is economical or realistic ones. This is the main motto. Another objective of the budget is monitor the hospital financial activities. Whatever the activities carried out in hospitals, that activity you have to monitor with the giving particular budget. For example, our college, Chennabashir Pharmacy College, I am in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, one of the laboratory in charge. For my laboratory, for example, yearly budget is 2 lakhs for chemicals, glassware, as well as uh, any other expenses related to the laboratory. Within 2 lakhs, I have to give the proposal to the management. This year, I require 2 lakhs. In that bifurcations for chemical, 1 lakh rupees. For electricity bill, 5,000. Glassware, 10, 20,000. And whatever the other expenses like purchase of uh, fans or any fire extinguisher exchanging with expired fire extinguisher with newer ones. Whatever the expenses required, I give in the form of proposals. Means tentative proposal for
तुम्ही तर बोलत सुद्धा ना बोललं तर
sanction. That should be
मग मी शांत बस आता आपण शांत बस ना लेक्चर चालू शांत बस
that should be monitored by the hospital activities. And a final objective is estimate the cost of completing objectives identified in the proposal. Whatever the proposal given to the concerned department, with the help of that that proposal is completely with the help of assessment of the particular finance for the completions to achieve that particular objective. These are the some objective related to the budgeting. Major is development of standard with the help of finance and whatever the proposal reach to the higher authority or administrators, they are monitors and give the budget allocations to complete the objective of particular proposals. This is a major objectives of the budget. Next part is whatever the budget you have to plan, their advantage of planning the budgets. बजट का प्लान करायचं त्याचे ॲडव्हान्टेज डेव्हलप द बेटर फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग whatever the finance available with the help of that finance we have to develop the better financial condition to the particular programs or particular hospitals with the help of better financial planning. This is a major advantage over others. Second is if finance is available with us in much more amounts, maximum amounts, then focus on the decision making. If finance is available with us, ready position, then take the whatever decisions is making to the management is easy going ones. So the advantage, second advantage gives a better focus on discussion making to the management. Third is effectively manage the financial aspect of the hospital when undergo planning of the budget. Expose the reason over expenditures. Whatever the expenditure occurs, that expenditure exposes the reasons over the expenditures. This is the advantage. Helps to focus on hospital priorities. Means whatever the priority required for the hospitals, you have to focus with the help of planning of budget, yearly planning or half yearly planning or quarterly planning. Quarterly means 3 month budget, 6 month budget, 1 year budget. Like that, you have to segregate particular budget in the form of plannings. Means first quarter we will design the priorities and assign the role for the focusing of hospital priority. And lastly, enhance the efficacy of staffs and others. Uh, madam, madam, Sharda madam, इधर फोन कोणाचा बघा. These are the advantages of phone उचलन बघा कोणी सर बाहेर. Advantage of planning the budget. Next move with the जाऊ दे, आल्यावर उचला. Next content of the syllabus is various types of budget preparations. Generally, budgets are categorized on the basis of their durations. Generally, as per the hospital needed, within 1 day, no one can build a highly specified hospital. It requires some time. On that basis, they are giving the budget for their development or for their preparation of budget. They are categorized as on the basis of duration. First is short-term budget, means less than 2 years required for a completion of any activities related to hospitals. They called as short-term budget. Nearly approximately within 2 years, we have to finish that budgets or finish that particular program with the help of prepared budgets. Second is long-term budget. Generally, this type of budget is 5 to 10 years required, the durations. On the basis of this duration of budgets, they are categorized short-term and long terms. Again, these budgets are divided into three categories. Like yesterday, I have to call what are the incomes, firstly counted, or revenue generations. Second is expenditure, whatever the income is generated, that generated incomes expend to the particular facilities required for the budget. And third is asking for the capital investment. Like, for example, 100 crore budget. Out of 100 crore, 51 crore I am investing and 49 crore from others. Means uh, whatever the share amount of particular investment are collected from the other sources, investor. With the help of that, asking for capital of invested from the investor who is interested to invest in our project. On that basis, you have to divide our budgets. Means, for example, 100 crore planning for concern budget, 50 crore with us, 50 crores from other investors with by giving the some shares, whatever the incomes occurred from that hospitals, that income I have to share with the shareholders. These are the divisions or main contents of the budget. Income, expenditure. If finance is less one, then call the finance or capital from the investors. Firstly, income accounts. Generally, these income accounts are calculated by implementing the budget. What are the incomes of hospital on daily basis, maintained on the daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, annual basis, half yearly basis, with the help of pharmaceutical issues to the particular patient. Here considering only hospitals. हॉस्पिटलमध्ये कोण असणार आहे इन्कम देणारे पेशंट्स. मग पेशंटला काय द्यावं लागेल आपल्याला सर्व्हिस. मग पेशंट कडनं कुठलं इन्कम येऊ शकते? पेशंट ऍडमिट झाला पाहिजे IPD साठी, हॉस्पिटलायझेशन. पेशंट आपल्याच हॉस्पिटल स्टोअर मधून, फार्मसी स्टोअर मधून पर्टिक्युलर मेडिकामेंट्स परचेस केले पाहिजे, जेणेकरून आपलं इन्कम वाढेल. Whatever the income is calculated on the basis or monitor on the basis of daily, or some hospitals monitor weekly, some hospitals monitor 15 days, monthly basis, half yearly basis, or quarterly basis, or annually. Finally, annually, whatever the incomes are occurred by concerned hospital, they are calculated as a whole income. Generally, patients are generally involved in the giving income to the particular hospital. In that patient point of view, a number of statics which include for the income purpose. That is, number of prescriptions enhances means number of patients are enrolled in your hospitals are more. Once enroll is more, there is ultimately the charges of concerned physicians or concerned hospitals will be more. Means gainings are the more, income is more. Number of prescription dispensed by each pharmacist. Hour of second is on the basis of hour of work put, particular incomes are generated to the particular hospitals. Hour basis, some hospitals give the hour-wise services. On that basis, this type of incomes are generated. Average drug cost per clinic visit means whenever you visit to the clinic, they give the average prescriptions around 1,000, 2,000 minimum prescriptions given to the patients. Means minimum amount should be 2,000 for the per prescription. On that basis, you have to give the collection of the income as well as expenditures. Income जसं आलं एक्सपेंडिचरला कोणावर आपण एक्सपेंडिचर करणार आहे? Who serve the patients? Who? One, physicians, nurses, some hospital pharmacists also involved, and hospital managements. These are the service providers to the hospitals, to the patients. So whatever the expenditures on this part, administrative staffs, hospital staff, nursing staff, and other health professional staffs, their salaries, electricity bills, their renovation of hospitals, all are the expenditure to the hospital. These are the incomes, other part is expenditures. So this part are the present in the budgets. Then move with the actual part, budget preparation. While you prepare the budget, which kinds of parameter you have to consider while preparation of budgets. These are the some points you have to take the screenshot or write downs. First parameter you have to consider during the budget preparations, with the help of hospital administrator, prepare the assumptions or statistics terms related to the hospitals services or hospital products. With the help of that services, we have to assume that and prepare the statistic with the permission of hospital administrators. This is the first point while preparation of the budget.
आता
Second,
झालंय कनेक्ट बघ
second part is hospital administrator prepare the economic force cases in respect to new development or other factors. Means hospital administrators or governing body of the hospitals prepare their economic force cases while considering the development of the other areas in the hospitals while preparing the budget. Means allocation of the budget, whatever the 100 crore budget this year, out of 100 crore for the development of new things. For example, our college. Our college recently started the PhD research center for pharmaceutical science subjects. So whatever the expenditure for the preparation and development of the new course in our campus, they assign the particular budget. For example, 2 crore, 3 crore budget they assign with the PhD course, research center course. They are applying and acquiring and implementing the activity of research center. Like that, here If any hospitals undergo new development, then they assign or prepare the particular finance to the development of that particular segment. This parameter you have to consider during the preparation of budget. Hospital administration to outline the budget goals and policy as per the directives. Whatever the achieving the budget goals and policies designed by the hospital administration, that parameter also considered during the preparation of budget. Next parameter you have to consider, the financial manager prepares a budget package and forward to all the departments. If concerned hospital having the financial managers, they give the prepare the budget package department wise. Means for examples, few minutes before I give the example of pharmaceutical chemistry, I am the in charge of this concerned laboratory, that is pharmaceutical chemistry labs. For my labs, our governing body, college governing body or college committee decide the budget for 2 lakhs. Within 2 lakhs, I have to purchase of department or department, whatever the departmental activity required, this budget you have to utilize or assign by the financial department of our college. Like that, here financial manager prepare the budget package of all department and forward. So and so budget is allocated or assigned to the particular department for doing the activity or functioning the activity of concerned department smoothly. This parameter is considered during the preparation of budgets. Next is financial officer develop the department's revenue budget. Revenue budget means income budgets. Summarize departmental expenses like budget and forward the department's budget hearing summary to the concerned department heads. Means in the particular hospitals at particular department, for example, orthopedic department, they assign the income from the orthopedic department is so and the expenditure or expenses of the orthopedic department is so and so. Whatever the income and expenses occur on the strategic basis, this financial officer provide or concern or give the summary report to the concerned head of the orthopedic department. This is the role of financial officer to summarize departmental budget like revenue collections and expenses. They give the departmental budgets. Another point you have to consider, by a budget hearing is organized by financial officer generally in the hospital administrators, and that financial officer present the departmental heads in departmental levels by giving draft of particular budget income and expenditures. Next parameter while considering the preparation of budget is each department head to analyze the financial and statistical data generated by his department as well as provide to him by the finance department. Means whatever the given by the finance department of the concerned hospitals, that report or that budget is analyzed and whatever the generated or actually uh, generated or actually expenses or income, yeah, that financial part is analyzed by the particular heads and whatever the changes they intimate to the administrator. And these are the department up to this part is the departmental budgets collection and expenditure. When all the department collect their income and expenditure in the budget, the finance officers are going to prepare the hospital budget and summarize from the individual budgets. Whatever the individual department budgets, they are collected and summarize and produce the whole budget of the particular hospitals. Generally क्या होता है ज्यावेळेस आपण 10 करोड बजेट, आता एक हॉस्पिटल फार्मसी काढायची किंवा कम्युनिटी फार्मसी काढायचं आपल्याला, असं समजा गृहीत धरा. एखाद्या कम्युनिटी फार्मसी आपल्याला काढण्यासाठी काय काय बजेट लागेल, काय काय आणि कसं येईल ते इन्कम आणि एक्सपेंडिचर्स. बजेट म्हणजे एक्सपेंडिचर्स मेजरली for starting of the new programs or new developments. It requires special budget for or special allocation. Like that, for any community pharmacy, there is a special budget allocated from other financial source like bank or own money from the parents when you go for the first time investment in the or first time entry in the community pharmacy. Collect the finance from our parents or from our banking partners, and whatever the budget you have to give in the form of quotation. When you go with the bank, they give the quotation which type of requirement. सिंपल तुम्हाला सांगू का, बऱ्याच जणांनी एज्युकेशन लोन काढलेलं असेल तुमच्यापैकी. एज्युकेशन लोन नथिंग बट इट्स अ कोटेशन रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द लोन फायनान्स फॉर एज्युकेशन पर्पज. मग त्याच्यासाठी काय लागेल, तुमचं ऍडमिशन असलं पाहिजे, तुम्ही ऍडमिशन घेतलं पाहिजे, अलॉंग विथ द फीज भरली पाहिजे कॉलेजला फर्स्ट इयरची. त्याच्यानंतर कॉलेजचं कोटेशन लागेल, होल course durations. This money is required for example, our course is 4 years. For 4 years, for example, you consider 5 lakhs rupees per year fees. Like that, 5 lakhs into 4, 20 lakhs budget provided or quotation provided from the college, and that quotation you have to submit along with our banking files. Then and only then, particular banks give the sanction as per the your economic, काय म्हणता येईल त्याला, सिबिल स्कोर वगैरे म्हणतो ना आपण. त्याचा सिबिल स्कोर चांगला आहे, इकॉनॉमिक कंडिशन्स. सिबिल स्कोर चांगला आहे म्हणजे काय होतंय, पेइंग कॅपॅसिटी चांगली आहे, व्यवस्थित पे करतो असा इंडिकेशन होते बँकेच्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू. त्याचा सिबिल स्कोर खराब म्हणजे जे काही वॉट एव्हर द EMI और वॉट एव्हर द check bouncing are reduced. There is a continuous paying the whatever the liability with that particular person. If CIBIL score is good one, above 700, then it directly indicate that the paying capacity is regularly. If less than 700, there is some disturbances, whatever the gaining in the form of loan in repayments. Like that, ते कशासाठी सांगितलं मी तुम्हाला, हा, allocation of the loan. मग त्या कंडिशनवर ना banking gives the loan facility to the particular person to start the new programs. Like that, on that basis, that finance we have to use for the making the racks, purchasing the racks, purchasing the tables, purchasing of computers along with softwares for the maintenance of the record in community pharmacy or hospital pharmacy. For that reason, it requires the budget, and that budget only utilized for that purpose. If you divert the particular budget to other segment, then there is a problem for concern programs. Maybe chances. If extra money is available after completion of the whatever the requirement for starting new programs, then okay, no problems. If incomplete programs, then there is a problem with your finance. So budget allocation is another parameters, or budget preparation is the parameter which is important one for the planning or programming of the concerned programs. Okay. And lastly, in the preparation of budget, budget is presented by generally finance officer of the from the administration department, and that budget presented in front of the governing body of trust or the finance committee for the approvals, or administrators for the approval. Whatever the preparation of the budget or whatever the budget you have to prepare, they go for the sanction purpose. Once the sanction from the authority of the hospitals, that is the authority like governing body of the trust, if any hospital under trust, then the trust governing body or hospital administrator or finance department of the concerned trust. In front of that, whatever the budget you have to prepare, you have to show cause and grant the permission for the for the applying that particular budget after sanction. So this part today we have to stop here with the budget preparations. Then next lecture hardly 4 5 slides remains because time is over right now. Hardly 4 5 slides remains, that is implementation parts and their factors affecting. Hardly 1 or 2 slides remains. Time is over. That's why I here stop our today's session. Okay. Thank you.